Hi everyone, this is your host Priyanshu Nag, and today we have with us Ajit. Hi Ajit, how are you?
I am good. What about you, Pratik?
Nice. I'm really good. I'm really good, Ajit. Briefly tell us about your background and where you grew up.
I am from a village in Madhya Pradesh. My father is farmer, and I grown up till my 10th class in village. After that, I came in Indore for higher secondary education, as I topped in 10th class. I was a
Mhm.
district topper in 10th class, so I got an
Oh.
opportunity from high school in Indore.
Mhm.
So where I got like 2 years free education with JE mains plus coaching.
Which school you were
And
in?
it is Malar Ashram.
Oh,
It
okay.
is run by MP government.
So it was a government school.
Yeah,
And you were
government.
the district topper in your higher secondary or secondary?
10, 10th
10th.
class. Yeah.
Really nice. And like
So
after that, what course did you pursue?
after that, I did like BTech in electrical engineering from SGSITS Indore College itself. And
And how
that
was the experience there?
2 years we were in college. It was like the environment is very good, staff was very good,
Mhm.
but suddenly Corona came and we all went to our homes. 2 years were offline, online. Everything went online. That has affected very much. Everything, if you talk about, yeah, it was.
Like, did it hamper your overall learning experience in the college?
Yes, it is. Yeah. Then in my second year, I came to like home during the Corona. 1 year was online. After that, placements started, and I joined a GATE coaching before 1 month before Corona.
Oh, so you wanted
And
to pursue MTech?
GATE, yeah, I
Okay.
wanted to pursue MTech from IIT college.
So when did you
Uh,
decided to pursue your MTech degree, and why you haven't pursued your MTech? Like why you joined a
when I was
university?
in 12th, it was
Mm-hmm.
my big dream to reach IIT.
Oh.
And I was not very much good with wealth, so
Mm-hmm.
I was not able to like pay some amount to do the coaching again for JE. As I scored 90% marks in 10th, 12th, so government paid
Mm-hmm.
my fees for college also.
And of course,
Uh,
like we all know how expensive it is to join a coaching center for IIT. So, like, were there any individuals like your any mentor, any family member, or any friend like who have a very strong influence in your career, and and who have supported throughout your journey? Is there anyone?
from my village, I'm the only person that reached out to Indore. I want to set a standard for all the villagers. Students are
Mm-hmm.
there that
Mm-hmm.
that man has achieved something in his life, so we can also do. That is a thing. And one thing, my father has supported me a lot because he
Mm-hmm.
was not able to complete his studies. He
Mm-hmm.
studied till 10th only, and after that he came to village and helped his father, my grandfather in farming. Actually, I am here because of him only. He supported me a lot, as I am the only child of my parents. So
Mm-hmm.
parent like does not send their child to very far from them if it is the only child. So they put a stone in their heart and send me miles away for study.
I mean, your father must be really proud at you because you have done such great things and you got a job and you become an inspiration for your villagers and people will look up to you. So it's a really nice thing. So share your journey, like how you discovered Edyoda and what course did you decided to take from Edyoda? Like what course did you take?
In my third year, there was necessary to like join one internship.
Hmm.
So I searched over LinkedIn for the internships at that time,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
I don't know what I'm going to do. Suddenly, I found a one internship in data science in the company named the Sparks Foundations. Like at that time, I don't know what that is, but college needs the certificate, so I joined that.
Okay.
I
So
completed the
like
certificate,
certificate
and I
was one of the major factor for you at that time.
yeah, that
Okay.
that certificate was a major factor that I
Hmm.
moved towards the data science. With
Hmm.
the gate coaching, I was very confused because my all friends were getting placed and I am doing gate coaching, and so
Hmm.
two legs on the two boats. That type of
Yeah, because it must be
that
really difficult because GATE is such a tough exam and doing a simultaneous thing like preparing for your data science and also preparing for your GATE, it must be really tough for you.
yeah, it was very tough because the course is very big,
Yeah.
and And if you want to prepare for placement, so you must be having some technical knowledge or communication skills also. During that time I was like very exhausted and confused. My all friends were getting placed, and I was not able to focus on gate also. One thing that also came in my mind that time, that if I can get job I can repay that money which I invested in gate coaching. It was like two legs on the two boats. It was very difficult that time. Throughout my college placements were gone, I didn't got a job. Every like friends were placed, and I was very exhausted. I was searching out of some courses placement, courses that some portal that provide placement also. I searched in Google, Instagram, LinkedIn. To suddenly one day I suddenly came that Edyoda Digital University with the same data science course. So I searched about it. I talked with mentors. Then I registered for the exam. I gave the exam. I got the scholarship. As I scored above 75% in scholarship test, so I got the scholarship also. After that, I never looked back, and I completed the course. It was like a not very satisfied job, but finally I got a breakthrough. So thanks to Edyoda that gave me that opportunity to get a job.
Yeah, like we only can give you opportunity, but the hard work is it's you only who put the hard work. So kudos to you
And
only.
every single person have to do hard work, but the path the mentor provides, everyone cannot do any others. So that was turning point for me when I joined Edyoda.
So good. And like,
Then
how
I
do you?
started believing that I'll be getting job. Whatever I have to do some hard work, I'll be doing, and I'll get a
Mhm.
job.
All right. Now let's talk about your company in which you got placed. So, what's the name of the company?
It's Provakil.
For how long you have been working?
It's been 2 months now in the company,
Mhm.
and my experience is very good. I'm learning so much things in the company, because when you are doing some courses, that is not all the things that will happen in the company. When you come in the company, then you will experience what you have to do in company. There's a lot of different things there. It's just not the coding that you have to write a code for the prime numbers. You have
Exactly.
to write the code for swiping the numbers. That is not here.
I mean,
You will
it's
come
totally a
here,
different
you will
thing, right? I mean,
yes.
it's totally a different thing. Like what you are learning in your college, whatever code you are doing in your college days, and when you are actually in a job, it's a huge difference.
What I can say that what you are learning is like tables. What you will be doing is calculus.
So, Ajit, you were also saying that Edyoda also helped you in your journey. So, can you describe the whole, like how you feel the course content is, or the teaching methodology? Like, how do you feel about it?
Teaching methodology is very good because you are getting weekly test, daily test, daily basic test, and after completing the module you are getting a demo test also for getting the certification. Then after you'll be having certification exam. Before the certification exam, mentor will help you a lot to crack the certification exam. If you are not able to crack the exam, then you are wasting your time there. I'll say that only, because people are helping you very much and you are not able to crack that exam. Everything was very perfect in the Edyoda regarding the classes, weekly basics test, daily test, certification exams, mentorship, interview preparation module. Everything was very good.
Really, Ajit, I'm really inspired by listening to your story because you came from such a background and you have inspired your villagers, your people from around you, and they really wanted to become like you. So it's a really inspiring journey. Even I am feeling motivated that you must have faced really difficult challenges, but you have overcome all the challenges, and now you're here. You got a job, so it's a really nice feeling. I'm really inspired listening to your story.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so
Pritesh, for
Ajit,
that.
yeah, any parting notes for our listeners? Like your journey has been really incredible. So, like whatever you have learned from your own journey, like, just give a parting note to our viewers.
Challenges are the parts of life, failures are the part of life. That doesn't mean you have stopped. Don't stop. If you got failed, you will have the power. Now what you can do, how you can overcome that failure. And also one thing I will say that do the some puja part also. That will also help you. Your subconscious will get calm. You will never get distracted if you started doing some puja part. You should do that also.
Okay, that's really nice, Ajit. So, like with this, I think we will end our conversation. And thank you so much for joining. All right,
Yeah,
and
thank you very much.
yeah, I wish to see you around. All right,
Yeah.
bye guys. Take care.